Hi, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this video, I am going to talk about the problems that are faced by the allottees after taking possession of their apartment and what is the legal remedy or what are the legal recourses available to them to remedy the problem faced by them. It quite often happens that once the possession of an apartment is taken by the allottees, they feel or they witness that the construction of the project or the facilities which were promised in the brochure or the advertisement are not as per the specifications given in the sale agreement, allotment agreement, or even in the brochure. Like there may be power problems, the generators that have been installed, they are under capacity and there are fluctuations in the electricity. The club area may not have been developed as per the specifications, or those facilities are not available which were actually promised. There may be problem with respect to the sports facilities that were promised, or the quality of the paint or the sanitary ware or the sanitary fittings, the taps, etc. that were promised. The tiles may be of low quality. All these problems may be there. So if you are facing such problem where after taking possession you feel or you witness that the construction of the project is not as per the specifications that were shown to you, then you have a remedy under the RERA law. Under section 14 subsection 3 of the said act, there is a remedy where an allottee or the apartment owner can approach the RERA authority for seeking compensation, either for seeking compensation against those defects which are there in the project, or they may request or they may pray for rectifying those defects or rectifying those services or the facilities and make it as per the brochure or the advertisement that were shown to you. For this, the steps that you have to follow is that don't directly approach RERA, but before that make a comprehensive letter or a notice and send that to your builder. Specifically mention that what they had promised and what they have failed to deliver. Once that letter has been received by the builder, then after 30 days you have a right to approach the RERA authority. Once you have filed the complaint, then as an interim measure always request for a site inspection of the project by the technical team of the RERA. Once that technical team will come, just try to assure that you are there with the technical team and the inspection is made in your presence. Assure that all your problems are seen by the site inspection team and that is mentioned in the report. On the basis of that report, the RERA will decide that what best solution or what best prayer can be granted to you. It can be either it can be a direction to the builder to provide those facilities and remove those defects which are there in the building or in your apartment, or it can also direct the builder to compensate you for the same. So like if you were promised that sanitary ware of certain company will be given, and if that has not been given, then you may pursue the RERA to order to the builder that the sanitary ware of certain company may be installed, or the tiles or the tap fittings etc. of the particular company, or the electrical fittings of a particular company are installed. This also applies to the common areas and facilities, as I told earlier also, that suppose there in most of the projects it is seen that over the green area the basketball court or the tennis court or concrete structures are built. Even if that is the problem, you can approach the RERA. There may be lift problems, for that also you can approach. If there is any kind of defect in the project, under section 14(3) a complaint is maintainable before the RERA. So this is all that I wanted to inform you by the means of this video. Thank you so much. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.